Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans.
Can you guess what day it is?
And you know what? You'll see this the day after Valentine's Day. And that's okay because the day after is our wedding anniversary.
I know. How many years has it been, Melissa?
50.
It hasn't been 50.
I'm sorry. It feels like 50. How many does it feel like? 50?
32.
Yes, 32.
32 years of marital bliss.
Or something else. But
so what do you think of this out here, this little project?
definitely looks bigger, more open. It'll definitely look way more open once the leaves
Oh yeah, everything
on the
greens
trees,
up.
Which we're only a couple weeks away from setting the clocks back.
Oh, the clocks,
or
yeah.
forward, yeah, for daylight savings time.
Yeah, but we're a ways away from spring yet. I've got
right, but
today and tomorrow out here, and then it looks like a lot of rain the following day, and then next week's looks like rain, snow mix. So what I'll do, I'll get everything I have done,
okay,
cleaned up, you know, tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Track everything in real good, and that'll be good.
Yeah, looks good. Also, thanks to everyone that went to our website, checked it out, and signed up for the upcoming newsletter and gave us your email address, because we received thousands of, no joke, like thousands of you have done that, and that's great. We had to change a setting on it because the setting was sending notifications to our phones, and our phones were like blowing up nonstop because we were getting these notifications. So
yeah, if you don't know what she's talking about, we have a new website. It's real nice, and the first thing you see on it is the thing to sign up with your email.
Right.
We won't spam you or anything like that, but it's just a good way to stay in touch if something were to happen or whatever.
Yeah.
And we'll know how to get a hold of you, and you'll know how to get a hold of us.
Yeah,
So.
and at the webpage, at our outdoorswiththemorgans.com, you can click at the top videos. You can watch all the videos right there.
Yeah, everything's in order.
Yep.
And pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. I think you'll like it. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But everyone that has, thanks so much. We got those notifications, and we're excited.
All right, that one there, I should have cut down. I had a little trouble getting it down. That's not the problem. But I've got a giant hole now, which I didn't want to do. So I learned a little lesson there. One's this size. I'm just going to cut them down, cut them off flush. I was getting a little greedy, and then grind these ones. And yes, there'll be some roots around it, but I'll use the grapple on the skid loader to get rid of them. But this is a white oak here. Come along. Alright, I got a few more down and cleaned up. My brush pile is getting pretty big, but it's actually too dry to burn right now. I always say we can burn pretty much any time around here, but it's actually pretty dry out. All these leaves here, I think they'd take off. So I'll wait till it rains or snows a little bit, and we'll light that up. Once it gets going, we'll start putting some of those stumps in there. Got another nice bucket full of maple, a little bit of cherry in there. We're going to take that over to the yard right now and split that up real quick. All right, some more wood in the wood bunker. I'll probably work out there in the woods tomorrow if it doesn't rain. I know Thursday we're supposed to get a lot of rain, but I just checked the weather forecast. We weren't supposed to get anything tonight, but I think it's 40% overnight, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'd like to get the skid loader out there with the grapple and kind of start cleaning up. I want to try to keep everything dressed up as I go, but we'll see how it works out. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. Appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.